This video is about managing master swimmers. I will explain how you create events for master swimmers, how you import master records, how you import master aqua times, and how you create a master point list. So I will show you directly in the Swimify Meet Manager. First, we would like to create a master event. So let us go to the Events tab, New Event. We add, for example, a time final event. We make it to 200 meter freestyle. And then we need to tick this box, Master Event. And we can also use Pre-Master as well. So if we go to the age groups, you can see the Pre-Master here and the rest of the age groups here. We also need to select the seeding types. For master events shorter than 800 meters, it's quite common to do master seeding merge age groups. This means that we will fill up the heats but still keep the age groups together, and they will swim in the lanes next to each other. For distances 800 meters and longer, we normally seed them as time finals. Before you start the competition, you might also want to add some records and point lists. So let's start with the records, and we go to the Records tab. In order to import the records, we need to download the master records from the internet. And you will find them on the IC Control Media and Sport support site. You need to log in, and then you go to Files, Vindgrodan 2, and Master Record. And you can download them to your computer. So let's go back to the Swimify Meet Manager and import the record lists here. We need to find the correct format, the CSV master records, and we can find all the downloaded files here. I will select the Swedish records and open it. And now they will show up here. It's important to mark all your master records as read-only. This means that they need to be approved before they can be changed. So let's move to the Points tab. And here you can do two different things. You can add point lists and you can add Aqua 1000 base times. Let's start with Aqua 1000 base times. We import the base times, and as you see we have master here. And since the Aqua 1000 base time is the same as the world record, I will select the world records here and open them. And they will show up here. And the Aqua times work exactly the same as the normal Aqua times. And finally, we can also add some point lists. As you can see, we can create many different point lists. In a previous video, I have explained more about point lists, so in this video, I will just tell you about specific master settings. The most important thing to change is the type. You need to select masters in order to get all the age groups in this list. Then you also have some more settings here. You can mark the field and you will get a more detailed explanation down here. You need to add point tables to your point list. I have prepared two different point tables here, one for individual events and one for relay events. And the numbers you see here is the most common value for master point lists. So the winner gets 7 points, number 2 gets 5 points, and so on. And for the relay events, we have the double points. If you only have, for example, 3 swimmers in one age group, the winner will get 3 points, number 2 will get 2 points, and the third place will get 1 point. And finally, you need to designate the point tables to your events. So point table for individual events will go to the individual events, and the relay point table for the relay events.